Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions, and in this video tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add the Boho Pampas grass, which is part of the LSP White and Neutral Botanical Overlay pack. You have some Boho Pampas grasses to use with your whites and neutrals. This don't have to be just used on whites, they can be used on all colour images. So let's jump in and get started. If you haven't already watched tutorial number 1, where I show you how to unzip, extract and get started with the actions to apply, you can go ahead and watch that. Or you can apply manually by hand if you prefer to do so. The actions are just complementary, so they can help you. This is shot in my studio, so I'm going to go ahead and click Apply Floral Framer. And let's choose which boho we're going to go for. I think I'm going to go for boho side 2 to get started with. And resize this in to suit my image. These are all foreground pampas grasses, so you're going to want to kind of add a little bit more blur if you can. And you can do that by clicking on Blur Paint. I'm just going to add a little bit, just so we get that added into the foreground. But you can see here the cutout and the detail. Not easy cutting these out, so the blur definitely helps add that complete depth of realism in. I'm going to add a little bit of contrast and a little bit of darkness just to adapt it to this image and perhaps a little bit warmer. And there we go. Click, click, click. Before and after. Let's add another one. How about we add side 1 over here. And I'm just going to bring that in, and again I'm going to add a little bit of blur paint, darken and warm and contrast. And there we go. So before and after, adding the bohos. We could add one more, couldn't we? We could potentially add the foreground framer here and really blur this so it's completely in the foreground. Add the blur in. And you see there's a layer mask attached to this, so I'm just going to grab a black brush, big black brush, and I'm going to take this side off. And then a soft brush, and just take a little of this off. And I'm really happy with that, before and after. You can find the other tutorials for using the Boho Pampas grass and all the whites and neutrals. You can also find tutorials for the colours, the outdoors, the sunflowers, the lavenders, everything else in the botanical section. So I really hope you enjoy using these. I can't wait to see what you do with them. Please do tag me in the group, because I'd really love to see. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.